my dad called me and told me to go outside because he thought he saw my 78 Marquis driving down 9 Mile. So I came out here and filmed it. It was a Lincoln, but still pretty darn close to my car. Anyways, now I have to take the garbage. I feel like this was a trick to get me to take the garbage cans in. So I'm doing that now.
And I sink when I go up for a breath.
You sink when you go up for a breath?
Yeah, I just sink down when I go get a ball.
When you're swimming, kick your legs up.
My legs are down when I swim, and then I just kick
Your legs, and then you'll go up.
And then I'm skipping rocks at the beach. No. And I'm doing like
I'll watch. Go ahead and do it.
no!
Why not?
I'm just gonna jump in. Oh, Daddy, you're scary! I'm gonna jump in again. I'm gonna do a cannonball this time.
Wow, that stayed in. Did you see that? See the big ball in it bounced right on the edge. Yeah, the wind pulled it back in.
What?
Dutchess. What do you want?
Do you not like him working? What is happening?
What do you want?
Pool time is over. We're walking back. Gonna get the kids changed into dry clothes. Sawyer.
Yeah.
And then have to figure out something for dinner, I guess. No, I'm not doing tacos or spaghetti.
Spaghetti?
Nope, neither one.
What?
On my way to the store. I believe that's Jeremy. Yeah, that was Jeremy. He was not looking, and I honked. Going to pick up dinner.
Say hi.
Hi, Margo. How are you?
Say hi. Say hi. See doggy. Say hi. Say hi.
Doing, bud? I don't know. Now I have to find out. Doing, bud? Hey, wow, you're gonna let me get that close? You're kind of cool looking. Is that blue? Is that blue on your wing? Why are you letting me get so close? Hi. Doing, bud? Doing, tiny baby bird. You're okay. You're okay. I'm not gonna hurt you. Do another one of those belly flops you just did.
Wait a minute. Can you take that thing off? There's falling off.
It's backwards.
I'm waiting for Maddie to get out.
Look out, Claire.
Can I pick your phone underwater?
Why?
Because I want to video.
You need to worry about swimming. As we walk over to, oh, look at the baby. As we walk over to check out the house. What? Don't start with me. Doing some working out, Sam? Jeremy's working out over there lifting up furniture. It's about the same.
What?
I thought it was gonna like jump on the No, we don't need any more baby makers.
Pretty soon, probably.
River!
Let's go.
You got me down!
Not you, Mabel. Talking to River over there.
She's Nyla!
What, are you waiting for a picture there, or are you trying to get video?
Ow! Mabel! Let's go!
You said Mabel.
No, I'm Mabel.
I know, but you were just talking to River over there and you called her Mabel. River B. Don't splash me.
I can feel I'm all slopped up.
Yeah. She's a
Slobber him. Slobber.
You got this, River B. There you go. Keep going.
Go, kick!
Kick those feet.
Kick! Kick!
Yay, River. Well done.
Come on back! That big old breath. The other day, right? Out the water. Kick your feet.
Madeline? What?
Bye, love you.
Good job, River. See, now you know you can swim across the whole pool.
Are you gonna get out?
He's just doing some sort of weird show to nobody.
A baby just moving around.
What? What was that?
Moving around.
Good night.
Night.
It's bright, huh?
Thank you.
You ever walking around outside and it just feels like you walked through 100 spider webs? Gross.
All these memories in my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind, my mind. I'm still a secret lemonade drinker.